If you're seeing a Monday.com authentication error or an API request failed message, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. These simple troubleshooting steps can usually get you back into Monday.com without needing any advanced setup, and they're safe to try on your own. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. Let's get into it. First, try the quickest fix. Refresh the page. Sometimes the error is temporary, and a simple refresh is enough to reconnect the session and load Monday.com properly. If the page still shows the same error, move on to the next step. Next, sign out of Monday.com completely and then sign back in. This helps reset your session and can fix authentication problems caused by a broken login token or expired browser session. Make sure you fully log out, then enter your credentials again and check whether the error is gone. If that does not work, clear your browser cache and cookies. On most browsers, you can press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time to open the Clear Browsing Data menu. From there, select Cache and Cookies, then clear the data and restart your browser. This step is important because stored browser data can sometimes conflict with Monday.com's login process and trigger the API request failed message. Another common cause is browser extensions. Some extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy tools, can interfere with Monday.com authentication and block important requests in the background. Open your browser menu, go to Extensions, then Manage Extensions, and turn off any ad blockers or other suspicious extensions. After disabling them, refresh Monday.com and test again. You should also check whether a VPN or proxy is enabled. VPNs and proxy services can sometimes change your connection in a way that Monday.com does not like, which can lead to authentication or API errors. Turn off your VPN or proxy temporarily, then refresh the page and see if the issue clears up. Finally, make sure you are signing in with the correct login method. Some Monday.com accounts are created with Google, Microsoft, or email sign-in, and using the wrong method can trigger authentication problems. Double-check how your account was originally created, then log in using that exact method. If you go through each of these steps carefully, most Monday.com error authentication issues and API request failed errors can be fixed in just a few minutes. Start with the simple refresh, then work through sign out and sign back in, clear cache and cookies, disable extensions, turn off VPN or proxy, and confirm the correct login method. If this video saved you time, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Monday.com troubleshooting guides and other software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.